Hey, it's another day with May, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make coconut milk and coconut whipped cream. Let's go. All right, here's what we need today. 3 cups of water, a can of coconut cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and a cheesecloth or a clean towel. Either one. All right, first step, you're gonna grab your coconut cream and pour it into your blender. If it solidifies at the top, don't worry about it. You just scoop it out with a spoon. There we go. All right, now we're going to grab our water and pour it in. All right, now let's blend it all up. Be right back. All right, so now that we've blended all of that up, I'm just gonna take the lid off and see all of that frothy stuff at the top. So that is the cream. We're going to separate that from the liquidy stuff down at the bottom because that is your milk. So grab your cheesecloth and your bowl, and you're just going to pour it straight in. You can get the cheesecloth working, right? There we go. Easy. All right. Now you're just gonna let that kind of sit for a little bit, let the water strain out. Don't squeeze it because then the cream will just kind of come out straight into the bowl, and you don't want that. You want it to be separate. So just kind of let it sit. Perfect. Now take your cream and add it to a separate bowl, or for me, I'm going to put it in my mason jar. All right, so this is the part where you can add your sweetener or you can add your flavorings. So today I'm just going to use vanilla, but you can add honey, you can add stevia, whatever you want. You can even add a bit of chocolate if you want to make some chocolate milk. All right, so now I'm gonna blend that up again, and I will show you the final result. Be right back. All right, and we're done with that. It was super easy. Let's just pour it into our jar now. Perfect. It's nice and vanilla flavored too. You can add a bit of chocolate in it if you want to make chocolate milk, like I said before, or even cinnamon. All right, now let's do the whipped cream. All right, now it's time to make the cream, whipped cream. So I have my cheesecloth here with my cream inside of it, and I'm just going to squeeze it out, make sure you get all of it out. So you probably won't have too much of it, but it is enough to be able to put on maybe some scones or really anything that you would need cream for, maybe even make my healthy chocolate mousse with it. Putting that to the side. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands because they're a little dirty. All right, now grab your mixer and go ahead and mix it all up. Now I'm going to add in my vanilla. You can add whatever you want in here. Maybe a little cinnamon, chocolate, whatever you want. All right, go ahead and whip it up again, and then you're pretty much done. It's that easy. All right, and there you have it. You have your coconut milk and your coconut cream. It all came from one can, and it took literally less than 10 minutes to make it all. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know what you use all of these things for. Anyway, until next time, see you later.